hello, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be talking about body soaps, the body soaps which I have been using since decades, you can see. And I will also discuss about how to get rid of your body odor and also how to get rid of your back acne. So I'll mention the particular timestamp in the description box below for your reference. So if you're not interested in a particular topic, you can obviously move on to the next. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Now I have done a lot of video in the past about Ayurvedic body soaps. Now after using a lot of soaps on my skin and experimenting with a lot of body washes, I've come to the conclusion that I always stick to my body soaps, and that is the Dove body soap. Now I had actually preserved the cover, but somehow it has got missed. Just at for 50 rupees and comes for around a month. So the most sustainable product. It doesn't make my skin dry, and this is the absolute favorite. I have expressed about this in multiple videos in the past. pH of around 6, and yeah, it is still fine than the other body soaps which are available in the market, which has obviously a pH level more than 7. Now the next soap recommendation which I have is about the Cetaphil Baby Bar. This has a pH of 5.5. We purchased this multiple times when I get bored of Dove, but these are the two soaps which I switch between, so Cetaphil Baby and also the Dove. So these are the two soaps, and yeah, Dove does have a lot of varieties. I do try and shift between all the multiple varieties. You can even use these soaps on your face actually. Now the next soap recommendation is Derma Dew Light. Now this is what my family member uses. Now I don't know if you're able to make it out from here, but here Derma Dew Light is there. The soap which my family member has been using for years together. This has been recommended by doctors. Now this has salicylic acid even. So if you are suffering from body pigmentation, I think you can go for this soap. This is very gentle, suits sensitive skin and dry skin types as well. And this is the Derma Dew Light soap, has a little bit of salicylic acid. Talking about those who have oily skin, the soap which again my family member uses and has been using since decades is the Medimix Classic Ayurvedic soap. Now if you are staying in parts of India where it is very moist, sunny and humid, you can go for this soap. Perhaps the only Ayurvedic soap which I like among all the Ayurvedic soaps I have tried out, and this also is very cheap, affordable, and obviously I love it. Body odor is caused by bacteria feeding on the fat and protein content of the secretion which are secreted from the glands under your arm. If you want to get rid of those bacteria, you have to create an aerobic environment for them, because bacteria survive in anaerobic conditions. You can always go for a benzoyl peroxide body soap, and this is the one which I absolutely recommend if you are suffering from extreme body odor. I think you can go for this soap. This is a Perobar 5% soap. I exclusively use this under my arm. I've repurchased this multiple times, and this is a new one which I repurchased just to showcase in this video. And yes, obviously I need it, but I just use it under my arms or in my groin area. Actually during the summer and the rainy season, I do tend to use this one. This comes at a price of 161, and you can thank me later for this. I swear by this one. You can also use any of the benzoyl peroxide washes, the face washes, but I think this is more cheap because it stays for quite a long time, because considering that it comes in a soap form, but you have to store it in a dry place. And yes, this is what I absolutely recommend for body odor. Apart from this one, obviously you have to shave your underarms, and just because the hairs in your underarms cause the sweat to stay for a longer amount of time, and that's why when you get rid of the hairs, obviously you will sweat less and the odor will control. Ordered this one to get rid of back acne, and actually it might be effective in getting rid of back acne. That's why this is the one which I ordered for him. Now there have been multiple requests in the past to do a video on back acne, but until recently I had experimented this, and it has really helped him get rid of the back acne, and that's why I ordered this one. I can promise you that this helps a lot. Obviously now a person who is suffering from back acne, you need to have a family member or a friend who helps you control your back acne, who needs to support you, because you proceed with a clay mask of your choice. Start applying a clay mask during the first 2 weeks, like make it around 2 to 3 times in a week, and you can see like there will be a huge improvement. Obviously you have to proceed with a moisturizer of your choice, like you can go for Sebamed Clear Face Gel. That was lying on my shelf and I have used up completely. So yeah, this is the one which I've used up to hydrate the back after cleaning, especially after treating it with a clay mask. Also the Innisfree aloe vera gel, which I have already like showcased in the past, that you can apply that. 2% salicylic acid, but this is too expensive for the back. I will preserve it for my face. I did use it once or twice. Products which I don't use on my face or which has unfortunately not suited my face, I do use it for back acne, and this is the one which I used for back acne. So niacinamide. Stick to cotton cloths if you change your bedsheet regularly, and don't wear polyester based cloth, and I think you will be getting rid of back acne. Also, if you have long hair, just make sure that when you're using ISLS based shampoo, you just dry it and just put it upwards, because the hair can also cause back acne if left open. Make sure to take care of all these things, and I am sure you will get rid of your back acne. Now back acne obviously is a complex thing, and sometimes people tend to get again and again. Sometimes it can be treated with antibiotics, but the experience which I had, like my family member had, is he did take antibiotic for around a month and the back acne was completely gone, but then again it reappeared after a few days. So I will always ask you to stick to this salicylic acid based face wash, and whatever the regime I just mentioned, you could follow that, and I am sure it was completely gone by the end of the second week. There was one of you who have requested continuously to review Johnson's Baby Top to Toe Bath, and yeah, I got a smaller version to review it for you. And yes, it fares quite well. It doesn't foam very heavily, but it foams enough to clean your body, and obviously it is recommended for babies. But yes, obviously if you're an adult and you're trying to use it from top to toe, I won't recommend for your head, because this won't be enough for your head, but this will be good enough for your body, and you can definitely use this because this is very gentle, doesn't strip off your skin. And this is a pH balance. Price of 50 rupees for 50 milliliter. Yes, obviously pricier than the Dove body soap. I will not repurchase this for myself, but yeah, for you I just reviewed this product and it is pretty good. I have been using this for 3 days, and you can see like I've used up to this. Yeah, I'll be done with it in next 1 week. So yeah, I hope you found this video useful. So stay tuned, and yeah, if you have stayed until this point, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and always like this video if you have liked it. Otherwise you can dislike it even. So yeah, see you in my next video pretty soon. Bye.